First, open Windows PowerShell as administrator. You can find the download command on the OpenClaw official website. Search for OpenClaw in your browser, then go to the install section of the first website. Copy the installer script for Windows and paste it into PowerShell. This command will automatically check all the dependencies needed to run OpenClaw. If anything is missing, it will install them for you, so wait a few minutes until everything is installed. Now we have successfully installed OpenClaw. Let's set it up. You can use your arrow keys to select options and press Enter to continue. I'm going to choose Quick Start mode. Next, we need to select a model provider. This is required because OpenClaw needs to connect to a large language model. I will use Google because it currently offers a free trial API. For authentication, you can use the Gemini CLI method. It is very easy. But on this PC, I don't have a Google account, so I will use my API key instead. Now we can select a Google model. I'm going to choose the Gemini 3.0 Flash Preview model. You can change the model later if you want. Next, we can set up Telegram to chat with OpenClaw. I will choose the Telegram bot API. We need to create a Telegram bot and get a token. To do that, open your Telegram app and search for BotFather. After you find BotFather, open it and create a new bot. You can use any name for your bot, but the username must end with bot. Now copy the token and paste it into OpenClaw. I'm not going to set up a search provider right now. You can change these settings anytime, so don't worry. You can also set up skills in OpenClaw later. I'm going to skip a few options to complete the configuration quickly. Now the setup process is complete. You can see that the OpenClaw gateway is running. You can also find your dashboard URL here. Just copy it and paste it into your web browser. Now your 24/7 AI assistant OpenClaw is ready to assist you. That is it for today. See you next time.